Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making a French onion chicken and rice bake. We are in lovely Melbourne, Florida at the Long Point Campground visiting our wonderful, lovely friends, Donna and Eric. The recipe and the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Remember to join our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans, and subscribe to the Little House of Beans. Smooshy that like button if you want to see these weekly recipes come to you. Remember, we have an outdoor cooking book, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, available on Amazon and as an ebook. We are ready to have lunch. Let's make this French onion, chicken, and rice bake, and let's have a great lunch with our friends Donna and Eric. This is about 2 cut up chicken breasts. You can use dark meat if you wish.